This is the BotBuhdy Daily AI Report for May 4th, 2026. 73% of AI researchers believe this technology will make the world better. The general public? Only 23% agree. That 50-point gap tells you everything about where we are right now. Stanford's AI Index just dropped its 2026 report, and the divide is stark. Experts see transformative potential. Everyday people see job losses, deep fakes, and systems nobody asked for. The thing is, policy gets shaped by public opinion, not lab consensus. If that chasm doesn't close, you end up with regulations built on fear rather than evidence, or adoption that races ahead without any accountability. Right now, those two groups are living in completely different realities, and that gap matters more than almost any technical benchmark. Anthropic just published a playbook for running an entire company with 0 human employees. 0. You wake up, launch a business, and AI agents handle operations, customer support, code, emails, and logistics. All of it. This isn't a concept paper. It's a documented workflow you can follow today. For founders, this is genuinely extraordinary. You can build and scale faster than any generation before you. But let's not pretend the implications are small. The startup that used to need 10 people might now need 1. That's not just a business story. It's a labor story, an economic story, and a philosophical one about what work actually means. We're only at the beginning of figuring that out. Don't miss a story. Like and subscribe to the BotBuhdy Daily AI Report for fresh AI news every single day. Google just figured out how to shrink AI models by 50% and keep everything that matters intact. TurboQuant is their new quantization method, and it doesn't ask you to trade performance for efficiency. That's the part worth paying attention to. Smaller models mean cheaper cloud bills, dramatically lower energy use, and AI that can finally run on edge devices without melting your battery. The environmental piece is real. Data centers powering today's AI are burning through electricity at a scale that's hard to overstate. If TurboQuant gets adopted industry-wide, it could reshape how AI gets deployed. Less dependence on massive server farms, more capability pushed directly into the devices we already carry. Efficiency, it turns out, is a superpower. This is an AI-generated production. AI-generated images and voiceover are used throughout. Researchers just released an open-source model that processes live video and audio at the same time and generates both in real time. Not a clip at a time, not transcription after the fact. Watching, listening, and reacting as it happens simultaneously. This closes one of the biggest gaps between how humans experience the world and how AI has historically been forced to process it. The use cases stack up fast. Virtual assistants that actually follow a conversation, live translation with proper context, real-time tutoring that watches what you're doing and responds. Because it's open source, this doesn't sit behind a corporate wall. Developers everywhere can start building with it right now. That matters as much as the breakthrough itself. Scientists used AI to discover an entirely new class of antibiotics, one that works against drug-resistant bacteria that conventional medicine has given up on. This isn't incremental. Antibiotic resistance kills over 1 million people every year, and we've been running out of options for decades. Traditional drug discovery takes years and enormous resources. The AI found molecular patterns that human researchers had completely missed, combinations nobody thought to look for. BotBuhdy has been watching AI make scientific contributions for a while now, and this one feels different, because this isn't AI assisting science. This is AI doing science. If this antibiotic class survives clinical trials, it could stand as one of the most consequential medical discoveries in a generation, powered by a machine. Leverage your intelligence. Stay ahead of the machines. Find us at botbuhdy.com.